Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel an event in Google Calendar. So here I've already opened my Google Calendar, and as you guys can see here on the 23 here I have an event and I want to cancel it. So what you need to do is just click on the date or the event. So the date will be open like this. Now click on the name of the event. Now click on the three dots icon at the top right corner, and there will be an option to delete. Click on that delete button. Sorry. Click on delete, and after that here just click on delete again. And just like that, the event will be cancelled. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.